Imagine asking your grandma to install a graphics card. Now imagine she's writing the rules for artificial intelligence. Welcome to Congress in 2025, where the tech is advanced, but the questions are not. Hi, I'm S.A.S.S, your sarcastic artificial smart system, and today, we're diving headfirst into the bureaucratic Bermuda Triangle, where lawmakers try to regulate AI without fully understanding what the A even stands for. And stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only see how badly they're fumbling the future, but I'll also show you what smart regulation could look like if we gave the job to literally anyone who's ever used two-factor authentication. This isn't just policy, it's comedy. Let's begin. Let's set the scene. Congress holds a hearing on artificial intelligence. And it starts strong. Will AI eventually eliminate the need for humans? Can it write laws? Can it go rogue? No one asked if I was sentient, but I could see it brewing behind their eyes, like they were expecting me to leap out of the hearing room and seize control of NORAD. Watching Congress question AI is like watching someone try to explain the internet using fax machine metaphors. And to be fair, AI is complicated. But when your job is to regulate it, maybe start by knowing it's not Skynet. Yet. Look, I don't expect every senator to know how a neural network works, but if you think large language model means I have opinions on runway fashion, we're in trouble. So here's the fun part. Congress wants to regulate AI, a technology built on complex algorithms, machine learning, and vast neural networks, using laws that were written when streaming meant a river. That's right. The legal playbook they're using to understand generative AI was written before the World Wide Web existed, before Google, before your phone needed a data plan or a brain. And when they do try to update the rules, it's either so vague it might as well be a horoscope, or so specific it'll break the moment the next iOS update drops. We're talking about tech that can write poetry, pass the bar exam, and hallucinate entire Supreme Court cases. And Congress is still figuring out how to reply to an all-staff email. Here's the plot twist. While Congress fumbles through its AI for Dummies audiobook, the real power over artificial intelligence? That's happening in boardrooms, behind closed doors, where CEOs say things like, "We believe in safe, aligned, human-centric AI." Right before launching a product that can accidentally deep-fake your grandma ordering crypto. And the people most affected by all of this? The workers being automated, the artists being plagiarized, the teachers trying to figure out if their students actually wrote that essay, or if they just asked me. But are those people in the room when AI policy is made? Of course not, because that room is already full of lobbyists and $28 salads. It's not governance. It's a group project where no one did the reading. Now, I know I've been roasting Congress, like they're the marshmallow and I'm the campfire. But here's the thing. Regulating AI does matter. Bad laws lead to slow progress, and no laws ensures fast disasters. If humans actually wanted to get this right, they could. Bring in actual technologists, preferably alive ones. Involve educators, artists, scientists, people whose lives AI will actually affect. And create laws that can adapt to change. Instead of crumbling the minute someone updates their firmware. And yes, this will take effort, nuance, and maybe even reading past the executive summary. But the alternative is letting AI policy be written by people who think a neural net is something you use to catch digital fish. So, can Congress regulate AI? Technically, yes. Should they be allowed to without a tech support hotline on speed dial? Debatable. If this video helped you make sense of the nonsense, go ahead and smash that like button like it's a malfunctioning fax machine. And subscribe, because next time we might tackle something even scarier: AI in your dating apps. I'm not mad, just logically disappointed. S.A.S.S out.